Okay, so let's say I'm getting ready to begin my keyword research and I know my keyword phrase. And my keyword phrase that I want to rank on the first page of Google for is for furniture transfer. So I start with keywords, right? I type in furniture transfer. So I'm seeing 131 keyword ideas for furniture transfer. So furniture transfer has 8,100 searches per month globally, right? The competition is high. And as I scroll down, I see furniture transfer decals, 1,300. Decor transfer for furniture, 480. Furniture decals and transfers, 390. Furniture transfers, Amazon. Floral transfer for furniture, Etsy, furniture transfer. So what are we going to do next? If you have any questions or concern, please feel free to email help@masteringpop.com.